How to create WhatsApp group step by step. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp on your device. Tap the chat icon at the bottom right on the Android or top right on the iPhone. You will see an option called New Group. Tap on it. Now, select the contact you want to add to the group. You can add up to 1024 members. After selecting members, tap the arrow or next button. Now type in your group name. You can also add the group photo and it's optional. Finally, tap the green check mark or create. And your WhatsApp group is ready to go. And that's it. You have successfully created a WhatsApp group in just a few taps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more quick WhatsApp tips. And thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.